up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you this cute headband wig that I received from Beauty Forever Hair. This is not my first time working with this brand, and I definitely can say that y'all already know that the headband wigs are popping right now. So I'm just gonna show you how quick, how easy, and how beginner friendly these wigs are. Like, you literally don't have to do too much. As you can see, my hair is pushed back into a ponytail. I went ahead and I put this wig cap on just to kind of, you know, have my hair laid down because it is into a ponytail and not braids. But it's pretty much just up to you and what you want to do with your hair under. For me, I am natural. I'm all about protecting your natural hair, especially when you're wearing styles like this, because it does act as a protective style. Make sure that your hair is moisturized underneath this wig. I'm gonna pop up on the screen right now and show you exactly what the wig looks like coming straight out of the pack. I love how this box that they sent the hair in has a magnetic piece to it that keeps the box closed. Love that added touch to this particular box. As you can see, they gave me a bunch of different headband wigs. With the headband wig, if you don't know and you're new to wearing headband wigs, it does come with a black headband piece already attached to the wigs. However, if you want to get add a little bit of extra jazz to your wig, you can add on these decorative headband pieces as well. So the wig that I am going to be reviewing in this video is going to be this gorgeous pre-colored wig. As you can see, it is pre-highlighted. It has a Wonder Black 1B color in between this 412, I want to say 33 color highlighted in between the actual wig. This is a body wave wig. The inch that I have is going to be 24 inches. Now, as you can see, it comes with, you know, this wave to it, but I'm actually going to show you different styles that you can actually wear with this wig. So I don't know, once I put it on my head, we'll see what we come up with. But I'm about to show you how quick and easy I put this wig on. I'm telling you, it's not even gonna take 2 minutes. So we're gonna do that right now. So as you can see, this is the unit, and I just threw this on and that was it. That's just how quick, how easy, how effortless this wig is, sis. As easy can get. Throw it on and go. Literally. This is it, and you can pretty much just do what you want to do to it. It doesn't come with like that standard parting because this is a half wig slash headband wig, but you can flip it over to the side if you like. I love the waves that this wig come in. You can flip it to the other side like I just had it if you want to. You can go ahead and straighten it, add a little bit of curls to it. It's really just up to you and what you want to do. I actually love it like this. So I just wanted to come on here and serve y'all this realness real quick. But I am going to go ahead and add some bone straightness to it, just because I want to see the variations of the colors and stuff a little bit more in that straighter state. But I actually love it like this curled. You can keep it like this. It's really just up to you and what you want to do. I'm running my hands through the hair. This hair is gorgeous. It is soft. There's no tangling, no shedding. Not really getting too much from this hair. It doesn't have a bad smell. I didn't have to wash it. I mean, how easy can this get? For you to just pop it out of the bag and just slay like this. I mean, come on. Doesn't get any better than this. It don't get no better than this. This wig right now is going to run you at $200 on their website if you decide to get the 24 inches like I have. I did forget to mention that this wig is in 150% density. So the density is referring to the actual thickness of the hair. So that's going to tell you, you know, how much thickness is in your actual wig when you receive it. 150, 180%, 200, and sometimes 250. Just depends on how much hair you want on your wig. You know, that's just up to you, sis. To you, but I am digging these colors together. Like, I love this little highlight in the bang area, the way that I flipped it. It's gorgeous. I can only imagine what this hair looks like when it's actually curled. But I'm going to show you this hair straight, and I'm going to show you some other styles that I come up with this hair. So y'all just stick around for the rest of the video. It's about to get fun. I love playing with color and different hairstyles. And also make sure you check Beauty Forever's information down in the description box. I'm going to put all of the links for you down there, and the direct link is also going to be there. That's going to take you directly to this headband wig if you want to get your hands on it. So yeah, let's stick around for the rest of this video.